back to my channel. My name is Angela. Today we're going to be creating this Vampy look. I'm going to be using the Morphe Bow Smooth 35M palette. I recently just purchased this palette and I love the variety of colors that it has. So it was one of the things that prompted me to buy and purchase this palette because I was like, I want to play with these colors. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, it's going to be a get ready with me type video. So I won't be talking throughout the video. If you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. And I'm using the MAC NC50 concealer. It's a Mineralize skin finish. I always use this. So for the transition color, I'll be using this color. I like that this palette has a variety of shades. And I'm gonna go in with this darker purple. I'm just using concealer. I'm gonna apply this glittery pink shadow. So I'm just applying foundation while my eyelashes dry up.
just you. I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets gray, I lose my shape. I'd still be missing you. Year by year, out of silence. No. 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets gray, I lose my shape. I'd still be missing you. Year by year, out of silence. No. 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets gray, I lose my shape. I'd still be missing you. Year by year, out of silence. No, I hope this is a phase that you were just dramatic. That we still could be good, that our love is elastic. I'll make this right if you give me a chance. Oh, I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets gray, I lose my shape. I'd still be missing you. Year by year, out of silence.
Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and comment, hit the subscribe button, and most importantly, hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
2,